Covered ko talaga. Dapat kasi nag-ayos niya. Hi, Amber. $15. From here to USA, they say it's 18 hours long flight. Middle East lang at Middle or wala. Ah! May magbe-Middle East? Dali ang sa din ko. Sinala ito mamaya. Para sa mag-apply muna tayo sa ibang bansa. Then tsaka tayo mag-US. Bakit? Kino mas true? Gawa ni Trump. Ah, okay. Nababasa ko nga sa comments, wag na dito. Hindi na daw practical choice. What is your preferred country? To work? I'm not sure yet. I don't even know if I'm gonna put my nursing profession into practice. Apply na wish you were here, but okay. Hi, LJ. Research before you decide. Of course. But I have relatives in Canada. So that was the initial plan. To go there after my boards. But I'm not decided yet. Anong song ulit? Wish you were here. Tama ba? You. Wala. Net. Research might be boring, but it's worth it. What is the nature of your work, VK? If you don't mind, what's gonna be doing well in terms of... I'm not sure. No idea po. I want to go to Europe, but not to work. Just to travel. Hi, Angeline. Hi, Mango Graham. You again. Are you a traveler again?